Good morning YouTube, and welcome to our channel, Lewis and Julie Home and Away. And today we're carrying on with the pond build, hopefully you'll find it interesting. We're not experts, we're new to this, so I'm sure we've made lots of mistakes. Right, I'll let you watch. Right, so I don't know if you can see, but we did actually take 2 rows off so that it wasn't so high, and I've started staining it. I'm going for a silver birch colour, so it's a bit lighter than the decking, and we've cut out for the window, which was really stressful, cutting that hole, but that will be where the glass window goes. And we've got the struts in, which are concreted down. Yeah, so it is coming on. So next will be, I think what we've got to do next, we've got to dig out a bit more, insulate it inside, and then build a frame for the window, and then we can put the glass in, and then we can put the liner in, and then the fish. It's exciting. Right, so as you can see, the company gave us some wood to put 2 struts along here, but we decided to go with this metal that we'd used up the side of the window, because we thought it won't rot in the ground, so we thought that would be the best idea. And then we've done the window so far. So you see we've done the frame, and this is what we will glue the glass to. And there's an extra bit of wood there to sort of rest the window on. Yeah, so as you can see, there's a bit of extra wood there, which we're going to rest the window on, and then we're going to glue the window to that wood. And then we will then glue the liner to the window once we've insulated all the way round, and I'll show you when we've done that. Okay, so at the front of the pond, so far the window looks like that. And, yeah, so I'll get back to you when we get a bit further on. Right, we're going to put the glue around the frame and then put the window in. We bought 6 because we didn't know how many we'd need. So the glass is in. Hopefully it will stay in. We've got enough sealant around. It's just screwing some wood to sort of sandwich it against the sealant for now, and then I'll take that off later. Pond glass is in. Right, so it's fully insulated now, and we've put the carpet in the bottom. So now it's just a matter of putting the pond lining in, and then the pond liner, and then we've got to cut the hole for the window. So exciting. Right, so we have got the pond liner in, and we have cut it out and glued it round the window now. So I'll just so there. So I don't know if you can see. We glued it all the way around. And there. And it sits it from the outside. We will be putting some trim all the way round, and that will hide the overlapping of the black gunge that glues it all in. But yes, but it's 6:30 on Sunday evening, so we're not going to get anything else done now. So I think we're going to leave it, and then tomorrow after work, I think Lois is going to get back out here, and we'll trim all the excess liner and maybe start putting some water in there. So yeah, exciting. Let's hope it doesn't leak, because that was really stressful. Right, I started to fill up the pond. As you can see, there's quite a few creases in the bottom. I don't know if this is a problem. I don't know if there's anything I can do about it. Maybe we won't even notice it when it's full. But we shall see. That's the window. Right, so as you can see, the pond is finished. Well, the pond is finished. The filtration system isn't completely finished. What have I done since I last saw you? Obviously, I've stained it, and I made these little boxes down here out of some leftover wood and stained them, and put these heathers in, and I put some white stones along the front here. We've just got netting on there at the moment, and it is 12 degrees at the moment, so they are still eating, and that's the fish. And I must admit, I love sitting, I can sit here for hours watching them. We've got quite a few new ones, as you can see. Got carried away. We had the original goldfish and the 3 koi. And then we went out and we bought 4 koi from, I think it was World of Water. And then I got a couple of koi from someone on eBay, one of which is the one that's just going across there, the white and orange one. And these 2 here, at the top, they are the ones from World of Water, and that one along there, that is one of the £40 ones, and that one there is one of the £40 ones we got from eBay. So yeah, but they are beautiful, and like I say, I can sit here for hours watching them. But naively, we bought, I think it's an All Pond Systems filter, which is what we've got there. This is going to be the filter area, and that's doing it at the moment, and that came complete with the pond, but we've realised now that probably not going to be man enough, so we have bought a retrofit bottom drain, we have bought a Tempest, and we got second hand, we found this Easy Pod. So now we've got to try and work out how we're going to connect it all and fit it on there. And this is, because what we did is we took 2 rows off this pond because it just seemed too high with the seating area here. It's really untidy with all the bits. But this is obviously the seating area where the whole family sits in summer, and it just seemed too high. So we took 2 rows off and we used the wood to build the filter area cupboard. And Lewis has done a bit of a plant area for me there, so I can put a few plants in, and we're going to put some sort of lid on there. I need to get something to go here on the wall. I've seen something in the range, a metal flower, white flower, and I think I'll put that on there. But yeah, so he's got a lot of working out with the filter and sorting it out. And I got him a little sign in the post the other day, Grandad's Koi Pond. Grandkids absolutely adore it. They love sitting there looking at the fish. So they're really happy. So we're really pleased. We want to put some sort of roof on, but obviously that's another job to do, and it's suddenly turned really cold. It's the 3rd of October and it started turning really cold and wet, so you can't do a lot out in the garden. Because Rose gets home about 5 and it's dark now that the clocks have gone back. And as you can see over there, the little pond is all set up, and we went out to Park Farm Fisheries and got a load of pipe work and stuff. They're really helpful there over at Eaton Bray. And I got tempted and I bought, I think it was 6 little koi. I think they're about 3 or 4 inches, and put them in with the goldfish, but they're really scaredy cats. So they don't come out much, so you've got to sneak up and see them. So there's no point in showing you really because they're not there. So yeah, so that's working there. I've got an extension lead, and then the filter, which is just a pump in there, in that bag there. So Lewis has got to do that when he gets a chance, and put power into the greenhouse so that we can have that pump running on the greenhouse. There is power in the chicken house because there's lights in the chicken house, so he has a wire going round the back of the fence. They're coming in underground, so he's just got to connect it all. And that's the chicken pen, and there's a few of them out today. I only got 2 eggs this morning out of the 7 of them, so they're slowing down now. Must be the cold weather. But yeah, so that's that. And then we've got the summer house, and then we've got a barren bit of garden the other side of this patio that needs tidying up. So the main seating area is there where the pond is. But yeah, so work in progress. Lots to do in the garden, as always. So yeah, but I just thought I'd show you the pond in all its glory. Oh, I think the bin men are just coming, so the dog's barking. That's Sky going crazy. Yeah, so really pleased. And it's nice to be able to come out and it's not raining. But I think there's only about half a degree between the 2 ponds. So considering this one is all insulated and the other one isn't, I thought that's rather good for the little one. So yeah, so hopefully see you again in the next video. Maybe we'll have got some of this filtration sorted out. Bye for now.